That question about frogs! Does frog ever sleep? Yes, they sleep and they are known to sleep with their eyes closed, much like humans. When a frog sleeps, the eyeball sinks into their sockets and the bottom of their eyes protrude into the mouth. How to know if a frog is a male or female? They have tympanum ears, which are tiny flat discs of skin on the side of their head behind their eyes. If the ear is larger than the eyes, that frog is a male. If it is smaller, then it is a female. In addition, in most species, a male frog is smaller than the female frog. How high can a frog jump? Most frogs can jump more than 20 times their body length. That is equivalent to a human leaping more than 100 feet. How does the frog drink water? Frogs do not drink in the same way that humans do. They absorb the water directly through their skin in a region known as drinking patch, which is located on their belly at the bottom of their thighs. Are frog and toads similar? Frog and toads are both members of Amphibia class, which implies they are both amphibians. The distinction is that the frog must dwell near water to survive, have smooth, moist skin that may appear slimy. Also, they have a slim build and round bulging eyes. They have lengthy hind legs that allow them to do long high leaps. On the other hand, toad is not necessary to live near water to survive. Their skin is rough, dry, and bumpy. They have a broad body and oval eyes that do not protrude as much as frog eyes. They have short rear legs that allow them to hop rather than leap. Can frogs be poisonous? Poison dart frogs are a good example of a toxic frog. Poison dart frogs, which belong to Dendrobatidae family, have some of the most vivid and stunning color on the planet. They carry enough venom to kill 10 to 100 mature males. For generations, indigenous people have employed its venom to their tip of the blowgun darts when hunting. How many frog species are there? There are approximately 5,000 species of frog known to science, and scientists are constantly discovering new ones. Frogs came in a wide range of size and colors. Except for Antarctica, they can be found all around the planet. How long is a frog tongue? A frog tongue is generally 1/3 to the length of its body, which means it is seldom more than 1 inch long and sometimes less. Can frog live in any type of water? No. Frog cannot survive in the salt water or the sea. The salinity in the bodies of frog is not tightly packed as it is in the seawater. Bonus knowledge! The frog is a sign of life and fertility in Egypt, and Heket is a frog goddess who embodies fertility. A group of frogs is called an army. A group of eggs is called a frog spawn. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get the latest video about that question!